Hi guys, so we're here at Clark International Airport. Ayan, in Jowa. Now, we're going to Siargao.
We're going to Japan.
Siargao ay sabi ko eh.
Hola, I'm Irene and my husband Kenneth. And you heard it right, we're off to Siargao to celebrate my husband's birthday. Our flight is 4 a.m. and we arrive at the airport around 2 a.m. We usually book our flights na red-eye para mas maaga kaming makarating sa destination and to explore the place na rin. At this point, both of us were hungry na. Buti na lang may open pa na store. So we grabbed some food before heading to our gate. Thank you asawa sa pag-prep ng food ko. By the way, this is our second time flying at Clark International Airport and so far, sobrang smooth ng experience namin. No hassle. We're now walking down to our assigned gate. Hindi na rin naman kami naghintay ng sobrang matagal. Tama lang ang timing ng pagdating namin. We're flying with Sunlight Air for the first time and in fairness, on time sila. Just a heads up, aircraft of Sunlight Air going to Siargao is a bit smaller than the usual planes. As you can see, 4 seats per line and limited space. We're still glad we get to try different airlines to experience different kind of services. Dito ako na happy. May pa-complimentary snacks. They're famous banana chips and you can choose either coffee or juice, pero syempre may kasama pa ring water. Welcome to Sayak Airport. Ito ang kanilang cute airport. We arrived by 6:20 a.m., 10 minutes earlier than our flight arrival talaga. From Sayak Airport, a 40-minute drive going to General Luna. Thanks to Kuya 041 for picking us up at the airport. Pasensya na kuya, di ko kasi nakuha yung name mo. Here's our first destination. Welcome to our accommodation, the Tropical Temple Siargao. It is still early to check in, that's why we just left our baggages and we're ready to explore Siargao. Nag-rent na kami kaagad ng motorcycle para sa aming transportation. The famous Cloud9. To be honest, ang ganda na ng lugar na ito when you see in photos. But sobra ka pala talagang mapapawaw in person. Look at those waves! As you can see guys, nabasa na ako agad-agad. Sadly, some videos taken were corrupted and isa doon yung pag-capture kung paano ako nabasa ng biglang taas ng alon. Upon entering Cloud9, a 100 pesos environmental fee will be collected. Very relaxing din tumambay dito, lalo na kung kasama mo ang iyong significant other. Dito rin talaga madaming nagsasurf, kaya marami rin nag-aalok ng surfing lessons. Surfing lessons ranges from 600 to 700 pesos. Walking distance mula sa Cloud9 ang Shaka Cafe kung saan kami nagmerienda at nag-rest ng konti before namin ituloy ang paglilibot. A few minutes away, we arrive at Bravo, where we can eat while waiting for our room to be ready. Original plan will swim at their pool and make use of their beach access, but we opt to eat na lang. Medyo pricey ang food sa Bravo restaurant pero bawi naman sa ganda ng place. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang coffee. And I heard here in Spotted Pig, I can get a good coffee. Which is totoo nga ang chismis. So add this to your list if you're a coffee lover. Coffee price ranges from 180 to 220 pesos per drink. Back to our accommodation by 12 p.m. We stayed at their deluxe room, which costs 4,500 at the time of recording. Pero meron din naman silang other room option, which is their standard room, which costs 3,900 pesos per night. And knockout na po muna kami this time. After our good nap, we had our early dinner at the Big Belly Burgers, one of the must-tries when you're here in General Luna, Siargao. Here we ordered their chorizo cheesy fries, wagyu, and chicken burger. Fries around 200 to 300 pesos, and burgers around 400 to 600 pesos. Checking out some things na pwede pang pasalubong. Marami ding options na available. Totally no plans for the day, just to explore their neighborhood, relax, and enjoy our first night in the island. We spent the night by having a few drinks while swimming. And that concludes our first day in Siargao. See you on our next videos!